came with a snail. I forgot to parboiling my, I can't believe that. Welcome to NG Space. My name is Ngozi and you're welcome to my space. So today I am making a Egusi soup with the item I unboxed in my previous video. If you've not watched it, go and check it out. So yes, I forgot. The parcel that came yesterday, the unboxing I did yesterday came with a snail. I forgot to show you guys that one as well. So I'm going to be showing you guys the snail as I cook. So let's just get started without wasting much of your time. The snail from my unboxing yesterday that I forgot to show you guys. So I took a little bit of it and the rest in the fridge, okay? And that as well is part of the fish. You saw that my unboxing yesterday's video. And my periwinkle, also known as Asam, right? That's the stockfish I already have in the fridge. And here, this is the crayfish as well that came with my unboxing. I also have this one too that came with my unboxing. All this I just took little by little. And also this is the egusi as well that came with the unboxing. I'll be taking some from here to make my egusi soup. Okay, let's get started. So this is the snail. I forgot to show you guys, but this is just a little bit of the snail. I parboiling my sauteed and the rest, okay? Add some peppers, some salt, not cube, a tablespoon of just crayfish, grounded crayfish, 1,000 liters of water. Okay, while I allow my orishi inside my pot to get ready for me to make my first time of doing Vlogmas, and I can't believe that I've done up to 6 days. Me, I would have run away like my second Vlogmas. It's really fun, really, but I know it's stressful, but just try, man. It's not easy. So yeah, just tell me what you think about this Vlogmas. How are you coping? Are you going to be doing it until 31st, or you're going to stop after Christmas, just on Christmas Day? I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. Yeah, I forgot to also mention that I got a new channel, babe. I'll be dropping the link on here, okay? So support your girl. NG It is the name of the new channel. So let me just wait and allow my meat, and we'll carry on with our cooking. Cheers again. So this is more than 5 minutes, okay? I'm just gonna stir. Add my periwinkle. Try to cook this fresh fish, okay, fresh catfish. Going to go ahead and add it too. So, I'll cover again. So after like 3-4 minutes, I'll go ahead and take off the fresh fish because I don't want it to scatter. Just remove it. I'll put it back in the soup when I'm ready. I think it has absorbed a little bit of the sauce. So Egusi soup is prepared differently. Some fry it and some just put it that way. So tell me what you think, how you do yours in the comment section. Add the crayfish. I'm not going to add everything, I'm just going to pour enough. That's there. Another banger, baby, one dry fish. Now let's check how the oil is doing. Let's check it out. Okay, just take a look at that. So it's blended properly. Ahead and just add the dry fish. You know it's already dry. Time for the egusi now. This is the egusi, yeah. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. Just normal water. I don't know how you do yours. Yeah, that's exactly how I want it. And then just add it to the soup. So I'm going to cover it, right? So let's check that out. Yeah. Wow. And so what I'm going to do is to add my fish from before. Okay. Allow that to heat up. Halfway covered and let it cook. Then I'll lower the heat a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. Yeah, so I'm going to check that now and put my bitter leaf. You know one thing with soup, right? Soup has got timing, so you need to time it. Each ingredient you put, you time it. So I'm just going to put my bitter leaf now and just allow that to heat. Do you like to use your bitter leaf to make soup, or you prefer vegetable or kazi? So I'd love to hear from you as well in the comment section. You know, I love to hear from you guys what you think about whatever I do. So I'm going to allow that to cook still on slow heat, halfway covered for another 2-3 minutes. I'll come check it out. So let's check our soup now. Right, so yay, this is my egusi soup, just like the way I want. Soup is ready. I'll just make wheat for the kids and myself, and we eat. So this is my pot of egusi soup. This is the pot of egusi soup. I'm done with my soup. If you stayed up to this point, thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also leave me a beautiful comment. Importantly, try and subscribe now. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So at this point, I'll say thank you again, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.